Have you ever opened the TED website and felt completely lost? Thousands of tenders, filters everywhere, and somehow you still can't find the right opportunity. Well, that's exactly where most people go wrong. They rely only on basic search. But today, I'm going to show you how to use TED Advanced Search to find exact tenders in seconds, not hours. Let's get started. First, go to the TED website, Tenders Electronic Daily. Now, instead of typing random keywords in the search bar, click on Advanced Search. Here, you can see the Advanced Search interface. Now, let's understand each field in detail. First, we have Search Scope. Here, you can choose between latest OJS issue, active notices, and all notices. Next is Keywords. Always be specific. Instead of typing construction, try something like road repair or building maintenance. The more targeted your keyword, the better your results will be. In business opportunities, you can filter by planning, competition, and result. If you want more refined results, you can explore additional options here. Under subject matter of the contract, you can filter using CPV, nature of contract, and place of performance. Let's look at CPV. For example, I am selecting printing and publishing. This helps you target very specific tenders related to your industry. In nature of contract, you can select the option that best matches your business, whether it's supplies, services, or works. For place of performance, you can choose any European country or simply select anywhere, depending on your requirement. Next is procurement value. Here, you can set a minimum and maximum value and also choose your preferred currency. In type of procedure, select the procedure type relevant to your strategy. Under languages, you can choose English or any of the available languages listed. You can also filter by publication date, deadline for submission, and deadline for additional information. For publication date, always select the last 7 or 30 days because older tenders are usually expired and you don't want to waste your time. If you already have specific details, you can enter the OJS issue number or notice publication number. Similarly, in the buyer field, you can search for a specific buyer or filter by buyer country if you are targeting a particular region. Once everything is set, simply click on search. And just like that, you'll get a clean and relevant list of tenders that actually match your business. No need to scroll through hundreds of irrelevant listings. If you want exact keywords, categories, or CPV codes tailored to your business, you can register on our website, Tenders on Time. Our team will guide you on how to receive perfectly matched tenders directly in your email inbox. Tenders on Time covers one of the world's largest public procurement databases. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tenders on Time YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.